everyone. I hope you all are doing well at your places. Well, today I Kashmi going to interact with one of the great personalities we have. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Ravi. What's yours?
Well, my name is Kashmi. How are you doing?
I'm fantastic. How about you?
Well, I'm pretty good. Currently, are you working?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me something about your job profile.
I'm Ravi. I'm from Uttarakhand. And basically, I'm reside at Khichuripur in Delhi. And I'm working with the Excel Furniture Interior Solution as an interior designer.
As an interior designer.
Yes.
Okay.
And I have to resolve our client queries. I have to make a quotation. I have to make a blueprints. I have like architecture, and I have to make our client queries resolve. And as far as my qualifications is concerned, so I have completed my bachelor of degree in arts from Delhi University, and I have completed in I have completed 12th standard in CBSE. And if I talk about my family background, so my father name is Mahesh and my mother is a housewife, and I have two siblings. And whenever I get a free time, so I love most of the like listening a podcast, some sports, I watching a sports and other things. That's all about me.
So, how long have you been working there?
Last 10 years.
Past 10 years?
Yes.
Okay. The same company?
Yes.
Okay, as an interior designer.
Yes.
Okay, so aren't you thinking of to switching your job?
No, because I have experience. Because lots of people in interior designers. So most of the people are making course like 3 years and 5 years, 6 years. So whenever I'm 12th class, so I passed the 12th class. So I easily get a job because of reference and my uncles. So I can get easily job. So I gain experience because of interior designer. So right now I have a fully experience and I have a full confidence because of interior designer. So I have did a course. So I think 5 and 6 year I gain experience in any company, because if you know, practical is a very important. If you are learning a theoretical and practical in a school and colleges, so I think not is a real life practically. But
Yeah.
if you are a real life practically execute in your real life, so I think it's a very important, because you have a make uh, meetings the clients, resolve our queries clients like mails, like blueprints, and most of things. So I think real experience is very important in our life. So this is the reason 5 and 6 years my life are going to be a uh, interior designing, and I'm working with the Excel interior solution last 10 years. Yes.
Okay, so like tell me that why didn't you choose architecture?
I think reason I'm not choosing architecture, because whenever I passed my 12th standard, so my uncle's getting a job, because most of the pupils in student like 18 years, 17 years are searching a job, because we are a middle class family.
Yeah.
So that time my uncles are joining me interior designing. But whenever I'm seeing like a pupils have a interior designer, like wow, what is the interior, and how can we make an interior designer and architecture. So gradually day by day I'm interested, and that time I'm sitting in front of you last 10 years. So as I said, and 4 and 5 6 years I gaining my experience. This is not my profession, but yeah, gradually day by day this is interested, and this is my profession. Otherwise, I'm talk about my dreams. So whenever a child and teenager, I want to become a cricketer.
Oh,
Yes.
well, that's a lot of people have a kind of dream
Yes.
of becoming a cricketer.
But I'm literally, if I talk about, I'm a good cricketer, and I want to become a cricketer, but because of some reason, a family reason, so I can't come.
Due to some circumstances.
Yes.
Okay, I can understand the
Yes.
pain. All right. So, like, tell me that after after some years, after 4 or 5 years, where do you want to see yourself?
Yeah, I think it's a main question, because every bachelor's in life. So I think I want to see my life in after 4 and 5 years like MNC company, because I am already getting like a joint Edward technology.
Oh.
It's a making a robot.
Okay.
Like, and we have supplied Germany, China, and other things, America, most of people, because day by day gradually we have AI is a day by day is
AI is increasing. Yeah.
increasing, and we are also associated with
We are
the
associating with the
associated
AI,
with the
right?
robots company like Adro Technologies,
Hmm.
like a Mother Dairies, because you know in Noida sector 2,
Hmm.
headquarters Mother Dairies,
Oh.
and we have already associated with the Tech Burner. Tech Burner right now is a YouTuber and is already at 13 and 12 million
Yeah, I know,
subscribers.
I know
Yeah,
him.
you know Slok.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
the Mr. Slok Srivastava. He's
Mm-hmm.
our clients. So I think after 4 and 5 years, we are. I want to see a MNC company.
Okay. So like what kind of like facilities people want to have in MNC?
First of all, we the PF, ESI, because most of people right now government has not provide
Yeah.
ESI, and because our population. And
Mhm.
second is a your holidays, because we see we are a middle class family, and nowadays most of people are busy in our life. Like most of people has a 8 workers and our full time job and part time job like Rapido,
Yeah.
like Blinkit, like Zomato. So I think most of people are wanted to be a like one ends 2 month a holidays, and second is insurance, because our most insurance right now, insurance is the most important thing in our life, because if you see like most of diseases are coming like heart attacks.
Yeah.
Heart attacks is the normal disease normally like cancer. So I think insurance very important. So MNC company gives you insurance, gives you holidays, gives you a PF, SI, and gives you chances you are grow in your life. Like I want to, if you asked me, how do you want to have 5 years in your
Yeah,
life?
where do you want to see
So
yourself?
I want to in my life 5 years. I want to join a MNC, an Israeli company. You know, because right now Israel and China, I think are most of the very powerful in AI and technology. So I think I want to be Israeli company.
Yeah. Nice talking to you.
Okay,
So am I.
thank you.